All right, as you can see, I am working on a Skyline, real deal, right-hand drive. So there is no information on these cars, right? So if you have one of these, or if you ever get one in your shop, you don't have to guess on anything or do the hard work. The only thing you're gonna have to do is figure out how to get through the firewall. I didn't do all that because I'm not putting a siren in here. So I'm gonna go through each of the wires real quick. So this is a Prestige, which is what I do, but I mean I can do it any alarm, but this is what I prefer. But you just pretty much have to follow the wire, and I'm gonna actually explain what wire is what. So whatever alarm you got, you can just go. It's just gonna take you literally 30-40 minutes. All right, so door trigger wire is yellow and purple. It's the only yellow and purple that's actually in this harness. For the brake, you got pink and blue. There are two pink and blues in this harness, so you're gonna have to test them both to see which one is the brake wire. So what you do is, I got a probe here, and just press the brake, and this will give you 12 volts, and there it is. You only got two of them, pink and blue. That's the brake. And I also put it in the description as far as the video, so that way.
You want me to set your car right here?
Yeah, you go ahead. Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna need it right now.
All right, the parking light wire, which make the light flash. There's a little, when you take the dash off, you take the dash off with it. Oh, I took it out. So this little dial right here, it goes right there. There's that little, that's where that dial is. It also has the parking light wire in there, which is that red and blue parking light wire. Simple, right? Right here, you have the factory relays. Red and green, lock. Red and white is the unlock. All right. And then you have the horn, which is actually in this airbag harness right there. It's green. Got it all taped up already, but right there is gonna be a green wire. That's your horn. All right. And then as far as your ignition, and then I actually show the car remote starting after I put it back together. Okay. Black and red, that's the ignition. White and black is your 12 volts. White and black, which is right here, white and black, that's your accessory. And your starter wire, which I got the starter killer in there, starter wire is white and green. Let me tape all that up. And then that's it. I'm gonna make this all look pretty. It ain't gonna look like that. I just did this, do the video. So there it is. You don't have to do the guesswork. I've done it for you. And again, I'm gonna have it all listed, and you'll be good to go. Ah, shit.